In this video, you will learn how to enable Ubuntu's universe repository. It's ideal for beginners and intermediate users who need access to community-maintained packages. Run the following command to enable the universe repository. This will add access to community-maintained packages not available in the default main repo. Run this command to refresh the package index after enabling the repository. This ensures your system can find and install packages from the newly added source. Thanks for watching DelphStack. If this helped, check out our other Linux tutorials and don't forget to like and subscribe.